Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a picture to everyone in a Zoom meeting using the mobile app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, go ahead and start a meeting. This could be an instant meeting or a scheduled one depending on your needs. After your meeting has started, tap anywhere on your screen to bring up the meeting controls at the bottom. These controls give you access to all the essential features you'll need during your call, including the chat function we're about to use. Now locate and tap on the chat option from the controls that appeared. This opens up the chat panel where you can send messages, files, and photos to participants in your meeting. On the left side of the chat screen, you'll see a recipient selector. Tap on everyone to ensure that the photo you're about to send will be visible to all participants in the meeting, not just a single person. This is important if you want to share something with the entire group. Next, look at the bottom left corner of the chat screen and tap the plus icon. This icon opens up a menu of options that allows you to attach different types of content to your message, such as photos, files, or other media. From the menu that appears, tap on Photo. This will give the Zoom app access to your device's gallery so you can choose the image you want to share. Browse through your gallery and tap on the photo you want to send to everyone. Take your time selecting the right image, as this is what all meeting participants will see once you send it. After selecting your photo, you'll see a preview of it on your screen. In the bottom right corner, tap Done to confirm your selection. This brings you back to the chat screen with your chosen photo ready to be sent. Finally, in the bottom right corner, tap the Send button. Your photo will now be shared with everyone in the meeting, appearing in the group chat for all participants to view and download if needed. And that's it. You've successfully sent a picture to everyone in your Zoom meeting, making it easy to share visual information with your entire group. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.